Hello, this is an unboxing video for manufacturer number 198026. This is by Bushnell. These are Legend binoculars. They're 8x26, BlackP, FMC, BaK4, RGHD, WP, Bx6L. I'm going to unbox these with you so you can get a better look. Here you have your cleaner for your lenses. The strap says Bushnell. Here's your binocular instruction manual. And inside here is your register, where you can go online to register your product. Here's the case, and it says Bushnell along the front. As you see along the top, it says Bushnell. The lens caps come right off. And again, these are Legend binoculars, 8x26, BlackP, FMC, BaK4, RGHD, WP, Bx6L binoculars, and these are by Bushnell.